harawi rai doli de hit de show ren Gráinne grau fel siw geri chit de sa Varoc de rinca as dot me yep coon ligdoon gal. Miss Jen Tammy uns Marrakech uns a Varoc fair henk me de show tourists Merish Uli McCurgeon as Meluchtai de rinca as Tashpenamach and Culture Vannin and Sly and sure. So ten failure sure te emsit Marrakech Folklore Days around Jen Jiarg as te son ram sort de rinca vai megit a tail so ram Jiarg and Elia so haneli just rinca and culture Celtiach te like and Skeddan Jiarg so vishen rud no and son my de hit dus Africa de inushen te just hoan kasle son the fetch and de agen de vel culture scanshul son slyvush boel ella nies dus de agen rudniach ledden an kasle och kosolach and sachten ella like tad kiao kulli an kasle to kjol och shinal an kasle to like och tad fosh genuate uli rachelia as tad uli fia vonach jau yes shen yid de sachte agen tret in a patch and as nan heen fagen de vel slyella goil solage tad monach as and culture och te such de holge and son de vel a few ve vonach j as te few kliachte as tashpena son slyella. Ruthen Sheliam McKeown and Turris Ein Shen well son shigras kiao tre merish luchtai as kurgen Shenave yindasach de agen uns na edinen na fetchen like and yindis Jane Chia like harawad able to crejul like cray golrish ve de agen the pothen and ella Erin Urden, Vishen Yendasach de Agen, Ulya Shen, and Parade, and Tashmana Trujan Balia, Vishen Yendasach, they like ho viral as Lendavri, as like Ulyan Sly, Shisa Red, you know, vad ho grisit de Agen, de Hulifach, so Vishen Yendasach, yes. Te eisiach de credial de fel a doli de rech de chulifach de hit de show as an shigaris te costelach yes. So buismoor de sound check, Culture Vannin, Arts Council, Marg McGee as an shapgiastlach and put na hinge yes. Gin shen have possible de hit de show some posimor gora show so buismoor thousands on shigaris.